Just bought the Galaxy S26 Ultra and wondering which cases truly deserve your money? One bad drop can end a flagship phone instantly. Today, we're revealing the only Galaxy S26 Ultra cases actually worth buying. Welcome back to the channel. Stay with me for the smartest picks and grab yours through the links in the description. The number 7 product on our list is TORRO Premium Leather MagSafe. Most phone cases focus only on protection and forget how a device should actually feel in the hand. The moment this leather design wraps around the Galaxy S26 Ultra, the experience changes completely. Crafted from genuine top-grain cowhide, the surface feels warm, refined, and surprisingly durable for everyday use. The slim bumper structure protects the frame while preserving the elegant shape of the phone instead of hiding it. Inside, a soft microfiber lining quietly shields the back from scratches during daily movement. Magnetic compatibility also keeps wireless charging simple and convenient with modern accessories. The pros are premium leather craftsmanship, a slim, comfortable profile, and elegant styling that ages beautifully over time. The cons are less extreme drop protection compared with rugged options like UAG Pathfinder. Ideal for professionals and style-conscious users who want their phone to feel sophisticated while still enjoying reliable everyday protection and practicality. At number 6 is BENKS Montage ArmorAir. Most phone cases promise protection, but quietly sacrifice the elegant feel of the device. This ultra-slim Aramid design proves you do not always have to choose. The moment it wraps around the Galaxy S26 Ultra, the lightweight Kevlar construction feels almost invisible, while still resisting scratches and daily wear. The woven texture adds subtle character while improving grip, making the phone feel secure during everyday use. A reinforced aluminum frame around the camera also protects the lenses when the phone rests on rough surfaces. Magnetic alignment works smoothly with wireless chargers and modern accessories, keeping daily charging simple and effortless. The pros are the incredibly slim profile, durable Aramid fiber build, and reliable magnetic compatibility. The cons are less extreme drop protection compared with rugged cases like Spigen Tough Armor. Ideal for minimalist users who want refined design, light protection, and a natural in-hand feel. At number 5 is Mous Aramid Fibre. A single unexpected drop can turn excitement about a new phone into instant panic. That moment is exactly what this rugged Aramid design tries to prevent. Built with advanced shock-absorbing corners and a reinforced structure, it spreads impact energy before it reaches the device. The textured Aramid surface also adds a refined look while improving grip during daily use. Many Galaxy S26 Ultra owners struggle to find protection that feels premium instead of bulky. This design answers that need with strong materials and a surprisingly slim profile. Magnetic compatibility keeps wireless charging and accessories working smoothly without removing the case. The pros are impressive drop protection, premium Aramid fiber finish, and dependable magnetic connection for chargers and mounts. The cons are a higher price compared with simpler cases like Spigen Liquid Air. Ideal for users who want durable protection combined with elegant materials and everyday practicality. At number 4 is Spigen Ultra Hybrid MagFit. Most people buy a clear case hoping to protect their phone, only to watch it turn yellow and slippery within months. That disappointment disappears with this clever hybrid design built for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The transparent back proudly shows the phone's original color, while the flexible frame absorbs daily bumps and drops. Reinforced air cushion corners quietly reduce impact during accidental falls. Magnetic alignment keeps wireless charging smooth and effortless with modern accessories. And mounts. Raised edges also protect the screen and camera when the phone rests on rough surfaces. The pros are long-lasting clarity, reliable drop protection, and strong magnetic compatibility for daily convenience. The cons are slightly less rugged protection compared with heavy-duty cases like UAG Pathfinder. Ideal for users who want to show off their phone's design while still enjoying dependable everyday protection and practical magnetic functionality. The third one on our list is Pitaka Black. Most people think protection means adding bulk to their phone, but that assumption changes the moment this ultra-slim Aramid design touches the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The material, often used in aerospace engineering, feels unbelievably light while still resisting scratches and everyday wear. The smooth, woven texture creates a refined, matte look that quietly stands out without attracting fingerprints. Another clever touch appears with customizable shortcut buttons that launch favorite apps instantly, saving precious seconds during busy moments. The slim structure keeps the phone feeling almost naked in the hand, while the textured grip reduces accidental slips. The pros are the incredibly lightweight design, premium Aramid fiber durability, and convenient shortcut buttons for faster access. The cons are less heavy-duty drop protection compared with rugged cases like UAG Pathfinder. Ideal for minimalists who want elegant design, featherlight comfort, and subtle everyday protection. On number 2 is UAG Monarch Pro Kevlar Black. Dropping a flagship phone on concrete is the kind of moment that makes your heart stop for a second. That fear is exactly what this rugged Kevlar design is built to handle. The multi-layer construction blends a strong armor frame, shock-absorbing core, and durable outer shell to spread impact before it reaches the device. The textured edges also create a firm grip, making the Galaxy S26 Ultra feel secure even during busy days. Built-in magnetic compatibility keeps wireless charging smooth and reliable with modern accessories and mounts. Raised protection around the camera and screen quietly guards the most fragile parts during daily use. The pros are exceptional drop protection, premium Kevlar materials, and a solid grip that feels dependable. The cons are a thicker profile compared with slim cases like Pitaka Black. Ideal for outdoor users and anyone wanting serious protection. Now, moving to the last one is TORRAS Ostand Q3 Air. A phone case should do more than sit quietly on your device. It should make everyday life easier. This innovative design proves that protection and practicality can exist together. Built with advanced air cushion technology, the structure absorbs impact efficiently while keeping the Galaxy S26 Ultra surprisingly light in the hand. Raised edges also protect the screen and camera from scratches during daily use. The rotating stand quickly becomes the feature you never knew you needed. It turns the phone surface also improves grip, making the phone feel more secure during daily use. The pros are the feather-light construction, elegant woven finish, and useful shortcut buttons. The cons are less heavy-duty drop protection compared with rugged cases like UAG Pathfinder. Ideal for minimalists who want their phone to feel almost naked while still enjoying sleek everyday protection and thoughtful features. So guys, this was the video about the top Galaxy S26 Ultra cases you should buy in 2026. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.